Okay, good morning, student. How are you today? Okay, I hope you always in good condition and we can meet soon in this school. So, student, for today, the material is about asking and giving attention. Oke, sebelum ke materi, kompetensi dasar untuk pembelajaran kali ini ada pada 3.3, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan pada ungkapan meminta perhatian atau extended sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Itu untuk pengetahuannya. Selanjutnya, keterampilan 4.3, menyusun teks lisan dan tulis untuk menyatakan dan merespon ungkapan untuk meminta perhatian atau extended dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar sesuai dengan konteks. And before I discuss about the material, so the learning objective for this material, there are, number 1, understand the expression of asking and giving attention. So student can understand the expression of asking and giving attention, di mana kalian semua diharapkan untuk bisa memahami ungkapan meminta dan memberi perhatian. Can you get the point? Selanjutnya, number 2, student can practice the expression of asking and giving attention. Jadi diharapkan juga siswa dapat mempraktekkan ungkapan, meminta, dan memberi perhatian. Seperti nanti kalian membuat dialog, gitu ya. Jadi mempraktekannya. Next, number 3. Understand the expression of asking and giving attention. Jadi siswa diharapkan mampu memahami ungkapan, meminta dan memberi perhatian dalam beberapa dialog. Next, write some expression of asking and giving attention in some dialogues. Menuliskan beberapa ungkapan meminta dan memberi perhatian dalam bentuk dialog. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini ada 4. Okay, next. So, what is asking and giving attention? Jadi, apa pengertian dari asking and giving attention? Anyone want to answer? What is asking and giving attention? Attention. Attention di sini itu bukan caper ya, bukan. Apa itu attention? Okay, how about Dewa Widnyana? Dewa Widnyana AP1.
Yo.
Okay, Dewa. What is asking and giving attention in your opinion? Dewa, are you still with me? Okay, how about ni Komang Ayu? Komang Ayu, apa nam? One is asking and giving attention. Ayu Trisna.
Maaf kalau salah, Bu, ya.
Yes, that made word.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris?
Try to answer in English.
Inggris. For my opinion, asking and giving attention. For the first, asking for attention when I asking for the attention for everyone, for need attention everyone to understand what I mean, what I ask for the everyone, and later the everyone and understand what I asking for everyone. For I need the attention everyone to understand what I mean. And then for the giving attention, when I give the attention for everyone to say for the asking and for the understand what is the attention for the uh, for the what something like
Okay. Okay, thank you, Komang Trisna. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sebentar. Jadi asking has the meaning which is menanya or meminta. And then giving, memberikan. Attention is perhatian. So asking and giving attention is an expression used to ask for and give attention to something in an event or fact. Atau asking and giving attention adalah suatu ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menanyakan atau meminta dan memberikan suatu perhatian terhadap sesuatu atau seorang dalam sebuah kejadian. And then the purpose of giving attention. Jadi tujuan kita memberikan perhatian terhadap sesuatu atau kepada seorang. Giving attention used to show our care or attention to other or someone. Jadi menunjukkan kepedulian kita atau perhatian kita terhadap orang lain atau seseorang. Jadi kalau seorang itu diperhatikan, pasti dia merasa senang. For example, when your friends presenting the material in front of the class and all of you give attention to them, so they are happy. And asking attention expression. In this case, there are formal and informal way to expressing the expression of attention. Formal, ya, jadi bentuk yang resmi. Number one, you can use, excuse me, I wonder if I could trouble you. May I have your attention, please? Can I have your attention, please? Or, excuse me, sorry to trouble you, or sorry to bother you. Okay, next for the informal, jadi bentuk yang tidak resmi. Number one, look at me. Look what I've got here. Look here. Or everybody look. Hey, or attention please, or excuse me. and then giving attention expression atau respon kita terhadap suatu permintaan untuk perhatian. Yang pertama ada yes sir or ma'am, or yes miss, or yes mister. Okay, okay, I see, really, or alright. Okay, student, I will give you the example, the dialogue. Where is the situation? There are some students in the classroom. They are Julian, Richard, and Georgina. Julian is the leader of the class, want to inform the announcement for the preparing the Independence Day celebration at their school. Jadi hari kemerdekaan, menyambut hari kemerdekaan. Okay, Julian said, "Can I have your attention, please? As the class leader, I have some announcement to inform you." And then Richard said, "Yes, Julian, we are listening. Go ahead." Julian said again, "Thanks for the Independence Day celebration next week. We have to decor our class. Anyone get any idea?" Georgina said, "I think I have some interesting ideas. Please listen." And then Richard, "Okay, what is it?" Georgina said, "How about painting the class with our national flag in front of the class, then put some national heroes picture on the wall?" And then Julian said, "I know what you mean." So in this dialogue, you can find the expression of asking and giving attention. Okay, Bella.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
All right, I'm Bella from Hotel Accommodation 9. My absent number is Sage. The asking and giving for attention that I can see from this dialogue is for the first, when Julian said, "Can I have your attention, please?" This mean is Julian need some attention from his friend. And then when Richard says, "Yes, Julian, we are listening," it's mean Richard give attention. And then next is when Georgina say, "Please listen to me." That's mean Georgina need ask for attention. And then when Richard said, "Okay, what is that? What is it?" That's mean Richard give attention.
Okay.
That's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Bella.
Yes.
Okay. As your friend said, yes, number one, Julian said, "Can I have your attention?" It's the expression of asking attention. And then Julian, the response, "Yes, Julian, we are listening." Richard said, which is giving attention. And then, "Please listen to me," Georgina said, that is asking attention. And then Richard said, "Okay, what is it?" That is giving attention. Okay, good, Bella. Okay, next. This is another example. Mrs. Susie and the students. Okay. "Don't be noisy. Attention, please." Yes, ma'am. Okay, next week we will do mid-examination. What? Listen to me. Yes, ma'am. The material that should be learning from chapter 1 until chapter 4. Don't forget to enrich your vocabularies with exercise. Yes, ma'am. And then Mrs. Susie said, okay, that's all for today. Good luck then. So, all of you also will have midterm tests next week. Yes? So you have to prepare for yourself. Okay, in this conversation, you can see, attention please is the expression of asking attention. Yes, ma'am, is the response. And then listen to me. Asking attention again, yes, ma'am, is the response. Okay, I think you can get what I mean. Any questions so far? Okay, student, now I give you the test. Can you please rearrange the dialogue into good dialogue? This is still jumbled sentence. Jadi, silakan kalian susun kalimat ini menjadi satu percakapan yang baik. Coba silakan dikerjakan. Okay, so then if you are finished, you can raise your hands. Okay, Putu Cynthia Dewi.
Good morning, Bu.
Good morning, Putu.
For the langsung gininya Bu, yang benernya Bu.
Yes, your answer.
Dialogue number 1. Randy, might I have your attention, please? We have to collect the assessment on chair table now. Have you finished it yet? And then Andy asking, yes, I have. And then Giselle asking, of course, yes. And then Esther, unfortunately,
Unfortunately,
I haven't. And then Randy asks, what's up with you? What did you do? And then Esther asking, sorry, I did not bring my assessment. It was left at home. And then Randy asking, you have to write again. There will be enough time to eat. And then Esther asking, do you and of course, hurry up, guys. And then Esther, thank you so much.
Okay, that's all. Okay, thank
Yes.
you, Cynthia. Good. How about the other student? Do you have any different answer? Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the answer. Randy, may I have your attention, please? We have to collect the assignment on our teacher's table now. Have you finished it yet? And then Andy say, yes, I have. Giselle, of course, yes. And then Esther, unfortunately, I haven't. And then Randy said again, what's up with you? What did you do? Sorry, I have lied. I did not bring my assignment. It was left at home. You have to write again. There will be enough time to eat. Do you want to wait me? Of course. Hurry up, guys. Thank you so much. Jadi, siapa yang meninggalkan pekerjaannya di rumah? Esther, ya. Did you have experienced it? Apakah kalian pernah mengalaminya? Kerjaannya ketinggalan di rumah. Atau nggak buat, ya. Lebih parahnya. Okay, student, do you have any question? And then this is the second one, still the same. To rearrange the sentence into good one. Masih sama seperti yang tadi. Silakan coba disusun kalimatnya menjadi satu percakapan yang baik. Anyone can answer? Okay, Cynthia Dewi again. What is your answer? Cynthia
For
Dewi? Yes.
For this dialogue, the first will Dan say, "Will you hear my story?" And Nadine asks, "Yes, I will. What's about?" Will Dan, "It is about our friend Dina. Listen to me. Listen to me." Nadine, "Okay." Will Dan say, "Dina asked me to join her to Batam next Sunday." Nadine say, and then Will Dan, "I confused because next week I will have my first test in my courses." Nadine, "I see." Then Will Dan, "How to say to Dina if I cannot join her?" And then Nadine say, "Just say they're true." And then Will Dan, "Okay, I will try." Nadine, look what I have got her." Will Dan, "Why?" Nadine, "What do you think about my new motorcycle?" Will Dan, "Oh, that's a cool motorcycle. Next time I will borrow it with you." And then Nadine say, "Yes, sure."
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Thank you for your answer. Coba, silakan kita cek sekarang. So, Will Dan and Nadine. Will you hear my story? Yes, I will. What's about? It is about our friend Dina. Listen to me. Okay. Dina asked me to join her to Batam next Sunday. And then I confused because next week I will have my first test in my course. I see. Then how to say to Dina if I can join her? Just say the truth or just say the truth. Okay, I will try. Look what I've got here. Why? What do you think about my new motorcycle? Whoa, that's a cool motorcycle. Next time I will borrow it with you. Yes, sir. Okay, student, do you have any question? Do you have any question before we end the class? Okay, if there is no question, I will end the class, and thank you for joining the class today, and see you next week.